There we go. Now, I have a wood texture mat, and I'm going to put those rings around.
Where does one obtain such a wood texture mat?
You know, you can get these at most good cake supply places, but
Yep.
this one and this particular bark one that I really like. So this is the kind of bark we're actually making.
Yeah.
But these two are from Marcia and Roland Winbeckler.
Excellent.
And
We love them.
yeah, they're fantastic.
Cool.
I love them too.
So you can get them on the lines, on the
Yes,
interwebs.
On the interwebs.
Gotcha.
So I'm just, whoopsie. You do want to do this before you do the bark, sorry. So you don't knock all your bark off.
So you should do this
Do this
texturing
before bark.
before the bark.
Before the bark.
Gotcha.
And I just showed you why, because I just knocked a piece off.
There you go.
Oh well. Okay, so there we go. There's that. All right, now
So at this point,
Let's
all the
do
bark,
this.
are we pretending that all the bark is on?
we're pretending that all the bark's on because that takes some time.
Okay.
This, I think you're gonna enjoy this little technique here. Okay, so I have my apple sticks.
Can we see the container again?
Well, this is just a container I use.
Oh.
They're called apple sticks, so they're already sharpened on one end. They're like a fat skewer. They're fatter than a skewer.
Are they for,
Like they're probably twice as fat as a skewer.
is there candied apples or something?
Yeah,
Or the apple sticks?
yeah, they're called apple sticks. They come in different sizes and lengths and stuff like that.
Apple sticks?
Apple sticks.
Wow, never heard of them.
Okay, so
Where do you get your modeling chocolate?
on second thought, maybe we're gonna use skewers because they're gonna go through these holes better. It's from Choco Pan. There we go.
Choco Pan.
Yeah.
Okay. CHOCOPAN.
Right.
Choco Pan.
Okay, there's one. Just kind of have to find a hole because remember when you put the handle together, you married up the holes, right? See how nice modeling chocolate sticks to modeling chocolate? I could just let go of that and it's
Nice.
just kind of stuck there. But I want it to stay there. I don't ever want it to fall over. So, sorry, I'm right-handed. So I'm going into my cake, nice and deep. Wire cutters again. Okay.
So this is
And-
after all the bark has been placed on.
Right.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with this again. I like to do 2 for each, and then I'm gonna put 2 bolts on the outside.
So like the cake on the board, this handle's not going anywhere.
It's not moving. Right. Okay, so now let's quickly do our bolts. So I can show you that, where my cutters go here.
This is great. So you can learn it for Easter and for Halloween in case you're doing a Frankenstein.
Right, oh totally.
Right?
Oh yeah, there's lots of applications. Just the basket itself, you could have all kinds of
Yeah.
applications.
Whenever you need a bolt in your cake decorating.
Yeah.
There you go.
All right, so let's get a little bit of our modeling chocolate again. We'll make 4 bolts really quick, and then we're gonna galvanize it, which is fun.
Of course.
I think it's fun. All right.
We got to do a wabbit.
I know, we gotta hurry up and do our rabbit. He actually doesn't take that long.
Excellent. He's cute.
Oh, thank you.
And of course, we do have a finished product to show everybody what it'll look like.
Right.